I really want to trip a breaker on purpose. It's gonna be hilarious. Wait till my breaker box feels this.
Ow, Autumn, that hurt! Please turn that on right now!
Okay, I will. 1 second. Does that feel better?
Yes, it does. Thank you. Please don't do that again.
Well, I'm sorry. I can't promise it. I'm not gonna do it again because I really like to reset tripped breakers, and doing it on purpose, sometimes I have to do it, so please deal with it.
Okay, fine. I guess I'll try to deal with it. Just trip my breakers all you want. I don't care. Okay, will do.
Let me turn that back on.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.